Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen monthly, I think it's pretty obvious at this point, especially since we have an engulfing move and breaks of structure on the sort of time frame that the wave 3 is over. Now, if this wave 3 is over, I would expect this to now be a wave 4, which I would expect to at least go down to the 38%, and I also expect it to last probably a minimum of 6 months before we actually make another push up for a wave 5. So, keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, this move down is very, very likely only a wave A, and I don't even see that the wave A is over. I personally would expect to see at least something like this, some sort of an A, a B, and a C correction, and this should be an ABC of wave 4. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it is so extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3 right here, and it's a 1, 2, 3 of wave A by the looks of it. So I would definitely still be looking for sorts on sort of time frames. Ever since we had a break of structure several weeks ago at the JPY intervention that they did right here, this big candle was the JPY intervention. So ever since then, I would have been doing nothing but looking for sorts in a downtrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, our most recent structure level is way up here, which tells me that even if it does start a move to the upside, I can pretty much guarantee that it's only going to be a crescent to the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, if you are a scalper and you do see a break of structure to the upside, you could possibly scalp some longs. But I am definitely not a scalper. I am definitely not a short time frame trader. So I will patiently be waiting for more three-way pullbacks to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I would just continue to go short every single pullback I saw, no matter if it's a big pullback or a small pullback. I don't really care. I'm just looking for three-way pullbacks. I'm looking for ABC corrections to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is your friend. I mean, I really wouldn't even advise going long on this thing at all, but I mean, if you are a scalper, you could possibly scalp some longs. I personally will wait patiently for the shorts at the end of ABC corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.